Hey, what's going on, crew? Got yet another epic review for you all. Today, I'll be reviewing a 2015 Nissan Altima S. The S is for smooth. But anyway, I'm over here at ALH Automotive in the Lake Jackson area of Tallahassee, Florida. I'll have their information down in the description, down, somewhere down there. Anyway, y'all hang tight. I'll give you a visual preview of the exterior, a visual preview of the interior, and then we're going to take it for a spin and go from there. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all stay tuned, and we'll go from there. See you soon. Peace. Crew, we're going to take this 2015 Nissan Altima out for a spin, give you my perspective, and go from there. Go over some of the features while we talk, and build a relationship and go from there. First things first, though, I want to salute our United States military, all those that have served. I just wanted to show my gratitude to the owner of ALH Automotive. Mr. Andrew, thank you for your service, your father as well. My father, United States Marine Corps, rest in peace, Dad. My sister, and many, many cousins. I just want to thank you guys. That's what it's all about. My attitude is of gratitude. So first things first, as long as you have the key in your possession, this one is a push button start. You have your typical quality Nissan key fob. As long as you have it in the interior, in your pocket, whatever. Put your foot on the brake and she comes to life. The gauges do a nice little sweeping action. You actually have an image of the vehicle that comes up on the display there. Let me turn the air down just a tad so you guys can hear me. Nice LED instrumentation here. You do have your standard radio CD changer here in the dash. Pretty simple air conditioning controls, automatic air conditioning controls at that. Well within reach. As you can see, you really don't have to reach too far. Nice ergonomics in here. Nice job, Nissan. And just a nice place to be. Nice 10 and 2 grips here on the steering wheel. You have various menu options that you can get to here. Maintenance, alarm, the language, what kind of units, welcome effects, which is what we saw when I first started it up. You got a factory reset there. There's a bunch of different menu options right here built into the instrument cluster. Nice touches. Got your trunk opening here, traction control off. You can lighten up or darken the display here. Got your trip reset. This is simple, but it makes sense. That's what I would say about this interior. And then you have your auxiliary plug here as well. Auto down driver's window here, and the rest are one touch. Manual. Just press them down one time here. Nice touches there. Got your mirror controls. It's simple, but once again, it's easy to the eye, easy to function, and we'll go from there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put it down and drive. It does have a sport mode for the transmission. This does have the CVT transmission in it. Just nice touches all the way around. Nice light feel to the steering and the parking lot, which is always good. And we'll just go from there. Once again, this unit is at ALH Automotive in Tallahassee, Florida, Lake Jackson area. I'll have their information for this particular unit and how to get here with Google Maps and all that stuff. I'll throw that down in the description for you as well. So first things first, you notice the quiet operation of the this will have the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder in it, which makes up a good bit of the sales for this vehicle. CVT is smooth, undramatic. You don't get the gear changes typical of most transmissions. Is just a smooth onset of the engine power and the torque. Very nice touches here. The steering has firmed up out here on the road, so that's a nice touch for you all. and we'll just go from there. We're gonna get up here, get it up to speed, do a brake test for you, do a turn circle test. With these reviews, I just try to make them simple, easy to understand, yet informative, if that makes sense. Just an average guy doing a car review, you know. I am who I am, and I'm gonna be who I'm gonna be. So I don't want to get all technical and all that stuff like that. I just want you to know, from my perspective, how these vehicles operate, and go from there. So it's very quiet, low wind noise, low road noise. These Altimas are very, very popular. A lot of rental car agencies use them. A lot of loaner car agencies use them, and even Toro and all that stuff, just because they're so simple. So here's your turn circle, really tight, and we'll go ahead and give it an acceleration test. So with the CVT transmission, it's just a smooth onset of power. There's no drama to it. It keeps the vehicle in the constant torque band, so you get this smooth linear power. I know I got technical with that, but it is what it is. I like to have fun doing this, and I thank you guys for watching. So it's just super smooth. That'd be the word for this vehicle. The operation is smooth, undramatic, good fuel economy, good view all the way around. The A pillars are out of the way, B pillars are not too big, so it's just simple. I love the ride quality too. It's just sporty enough for the Nissan nature, for the Nissan bloodline, but still very smooth and compliant out here on the road. You can soak up some miles out on the interstate with this thing. Not only with the fuel economy, but just with the comfort. Seats are really comfortable. No complaints here. So here's our brake test. We're doing about 55. Gonna go ahead and bring it on down. Nice firm brake pedal, no drama there. And it's just simple. Just wait for this traffic, and give you guys one more acceleration test, and let's kind of go from there. And here we go. Good turn circle. And there's the CVT kicking in. No gear changes. It's just smooth to go with the Altima S. And here's the brake test. Good firm solid brake pedal there, and you can't beat it. If you can't beat it, join it. Come see the crew over here at ALH Automotive LLC. You'll see where I'm parking this thing right up front, and go from there. Thank you guys for watching. And gals, can't forget the ladies. Peace.